Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Z-Face and I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I cornrow my hair. So most times when people come to my house, they see me with freshly done cornrows. They're always questioning who did your cornrows, and I'm like, I did it myself. They're like, lie. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do your cornrows. Let's get right into it. First thing you need in front of you is a mirror so you can see the progress and the lines you're cutting on your hair. Then you want to make sure your hair is really detangled before you start working, especially if you have 4C hair. So the first thing you're going to do is to part your hair in a roll depending on the size of cornrow that you want. Then you part your hair into 3 different strands and you act like you're weaving. Cornrow is a braiding style that is plaited flat to the scalp. So make sure your grip is really hard, especially if you want this cornrow to stay for a very long time. So you're going in progress, and each weave you're making, you're picking up hair from behind. Each of those 3 strands are going to increase because I'm getting more hair from the roll that I cut. I hope it makes sense. Since I'm trying to take care of my natural hair, I don't bother picking up my edges too hard. I wouldn't recommend you holding your edges too tight. I'm holding these braids too tight because this is a tutorial and I wanted everything to be really clean. On a normal day, my braids are not going to be this tight, okay? So that's basically a braid right up to the end of your hair, and that is pretty much it. You just need to cut a straight line. Your line doesn't need to be too clean, but at least it should be something reasonable. You're feeling it, right?
I feel like I've just prepped my hair for all my wigs. Any type of wig is going to get into this, be it a frontal, closure, bangs, whatever, crazy wig, no matter the hair. So
that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you learned one or two. Went ahead to lay my edges to make everything look beautiful. This is how the hair looks like. The lines don't look perfect, it should look reasonable. Now my wigs can get under this clean cornrow. If my wig even falls in the market, I'll not even be ashamed because I have clean cornrow on my head without any help. I did it all by myself and you can do it too. So let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.